I was just saying to Scarlett and Kate, this might have been the fastest 60 minutes ever.
I agree. Yeah.
Because here we come.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Exactly, to the grand finale of our live audience Outset show. Let me show you what you get in, by the way, this gorgeous box. So if it is a gift for you and your skincare needs or a gift for somebody else, this is how it arrives at your door. It is a sale price. It is free shipping and 5 easy payments. And do you remember at the beginning of the show, we talked about an incredible cleanser? Well, their wonderful, gentle but effective antioxidant cleanser is in here. But if I move down here, the #1 selling product from the Outset, and we haven't even talked about it yet in the hour, this is their famous serum. It's a firming collagen serum. We're going to talk about it first. I just want you to see that you're getting other items, but this is the only way to grab our serum in this particular show. Then if you move over here, you're going to see our day moisturizer. So we talked about that nighttime moisturizer and took a lot of orders, but we do need a day moisturizer and they shouldn't be the same. So we'll talk about the squalene in here and all the key ingredients. And then you remember this, our wonderful vitamin C eye and line cream. So remember, it's an eye cream, but it's an expression line cream, and it works immediately to hydrate skin, but at the same time, it immediately brightens. All of this together should be closer to $165. We are at $125, saving you $40. Plus this, it's heavy and big, ships for free, and you've got a $25 easy pay. One small problem, I don't have a lot to go around. Mike, did you say I have fewer than 600 only? It's a race to get it.
Yes.
So why don't I quickly remind everybody, award-winning, clean beauty. Kate and Scarlett met and realized they had the same skin issues. Everything was not working. It was irritating. It was harsh. All these things that promised, oh, you'll be younger, oh, you'll be beautiful, was in fact damaging their skin. So you set out to create the Outset, and now we can't get enough of it.
Made for the most sensitive of skin, I will say. I think, you know, Kate and I both realized, I mean, even though we have different skin, that we both had irritated skin. Our skin, we were using too many actives, and, you know, it was like, okay, how can we pare this back? It's a very noisy story. How can we pare this back and create daily essentials for the most sensitive skin to be used by as many people as possible? If anybody is asking me, oh my God, your skin looks great, what are you using? This is it right here. This is all I am using. And we haven't even been able to talk about the serum.
That's what I want to talk about, your #1 selling product.
So this serum is everything. This is everything. So
you just got even more excited.
Yeah, I'm so excited about this serum. If anything, like, if I don't use this serum, my skin does not look the same. That is the real. I use this product.
Look at this hydration I'm getting.
Every morning, I use it every night. I absolutely love this product. So when we were creating the Outset, we thought, okay, you know, 3 steps, right? You have your cleanser, you have your moisturizer. What's the second step? Is it a toner? A lot of times it's a toner. And it was like, wait a minute, I've cleansed my skin. Why do I want to remove all that good stuff with a toner, right? You don't need to clean your skin 2 times. What can we do to create a product that will help your skin to receive the moisture from the day cream? And that is our vegan prep step. It is absolutely essential for me.
And you can try it in this kit along with 3 other top selling items from the Outset. I mean, it's up to you if you want to just grab one, but I would grab the kit and have access to everything that has made this brand so beloved. Kate, what would you say about the serum?
I mean, the thing that people love about this is that it is 4 serums in one, right? We really want to enable you to do more, you know, with less, right? And so this firms, it plumps, it hydrates, and it brightens, again, without irritation. So it's delivering this game-changing hydration complex, but all of these clinically proven gentle actives that are gonna give you those results that Scarlett was talking about. And it's really working to prep your skin to receive moisture and giving you that tone, texture, radiance, and glow all in one easy step.
I mean, imagine if you bought the night cream. I would say that's the one thing that's not in this kit. It comes in this bag, and then you can put the kit
and then you can put the whole
in
thing
the bag,
inside the bag.
And you've got access to just about most of the items from the Outset. But I do want to put up before and afters. This is it. 5 minutes left in the show. At our master class, we're offering free shipping and these amazing sale prices. This skin, it's not just the eye. It's not just the, you know, mouth line that we start to see in the picture. It is the skin difference.
Look how much healthier her skin looks. It's glowing. And that is not because she has a pearlescent effect. This is just her healthy skin glow. And I will say, you know, when we talk about these like 14 steps, I take, just using these 4 products that you can get in this kit right now, it takes me 2 minutes and 30 seconds to do my skincare. I am just cleaning my skin. I'm, like drying it off. I'm putting the prep serum, I'm putting the moisturizer, and then I'm doing my makeup over that. We created this prep serum so that it doesn't pill. A lot of, products that have am I saying squalene? Squalene? Which one am I saying? The
Tomato.
Yeah, tomato. Well, actually, that's not true. This is a vegan alternative to that. And so a lot of those products pill under your makeup. You'll see those little kind of like the residue underneath around your eyes. This product does not do that. You can really wear it underneath your makeup, and it helps your makeup to lay more flat over
to
the top.
get the kit home just to have access to the serum, sign us up. But then you get the cleanser, you get the daily moisturizer, you get this eye product, and I think I'd like to move there next. We talked about it earlier, and maybe you're thinking, well, I've not tried it before, so I'm not sure if a duo is right for me tonight. Here's how you can get that eye in a single, along with the #1 selling serum, the cleanser, and the moisturizer. Your eye product blew me away. Blew me away
It's so good.
today.
It's so good. My mom is probably, always one of our biggest influencers. She's 80 and she's at Bridge, and all of her friends are like, why your skin is so good? And she said this is her favorite product. She calls it her
What's her
lines
name?
cream. Pam. Hey, Pam Foster, we love you. She really, her skin looks amazing because it's plumping and filling and fortifying.
Yes.
All of those fine lines around your mouth, around your eyes, your, kind of expression lines up here, but it's doing it with gentle actives. Again, so things that are not harsh, we're delivering the hydration and no irritation, and it's a combination of those two things together that are gonna give you your best skin ever.
You know what? I'm going to run to the audience. Chelsea is standing by with a customer. Chelsea, what's going on?
Okay, not just a customer.
Not
I
just a
managed to find
customer.
a professional. I'm here with Tammy. She is an esthetician. She worked for a major beauty brand years ago. She's a self-professed beauty junkie. You really get to try everything.
Yeah, I do. I love beauty products, and I just got to try this eye cream, and it's amazing. It's extremely hydrating. I have very dry skin, so I appreciate the hydration, the texture of it. I don't like things to be greasy, and I felt this is a really nice product.
Tammy, can we see the hand that has the eye cream and hand that doesn't? You can see a big difference already. And if an esthetician says she loves it, a self-professed beauty junkie says she loves it, I think you guys are onto something.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you so much
thank
for
you.
that. Right? Well, and wouldn't you like to try the Outset? So here's your chance, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 items. We talked about the #1 selling serum. And again, all of this would be $165. We're at $125. We talked about the eye and the line fighter. Do you guys want to talk about the daily moisturizer next, since we had the cleanser earlier in the hour?
Yes, absolutely. So the daily moisturizer, for me, this is my, this is what I use every single day. I wear it underneath my makeup. It's going to provide 24-hour moisture. So it's really working all day long. You put it on, it doesn't feel greasy. It's soaking right in. And again, it has the Hyaluroset Complex in there, our botanical alternative to hyaluronic acid, without the tackiness, without the greasiness. I just absolutely love it.
It's so, so good. So we have squalane, which is harvested from olives, which is an amazing, amazing hydrator, in addition to our Hyaluroset Complex, which is proprietary to the Outset and inside every single one of our products. And it's just deeply nourishing. Like Scarlett said, 24-hour moisturization. So no greasy, no kind of sticky or tacky feel. It's just really gonna soak into your skin and nourish it and make it look so hydrated and healthy.
You know what? At this point, fewer than 200 to go around. It is a massive kit. Like, I actually have to put some
I
guts
know.
into it.
It's
when
an
I
amazing
pick it up.
value.
It
Yeah.
is. So what we are selling for $125 would be far more if you built this on your own, trying to grab all 4 of these pieces. And it's an incredible way to try their #1 selling product, the serum. We ship it to you for free. You have a $25 payment, and you get to try everything that Scarlett and Kate are providing in this kit without picking and choosing. Let's go back to the serum. I only have 30 seconds, but Scarlett, you were
Yes.
so passionate.
I'm
All
so
I said was
passionate
serum,
about-
and the smile got bigger.
I'm telling you, my skin. So if anybody asks me again, what are you using? This is it. These are the only products that I am using. This serum is an absolute game changer. I put it on in the morning, so I wash my face with our daily cleanser, and then I'm using the serum, and then I'm using the daily moisturizer, and that is it. 2 minutes and 30 seconds to get me out of the door. I have my healthiest skin I've ever
Scarlett,
had.
I'm going to cut you off for the last time. Sold out. Go! All
We're gonna
right,
do our selfie.
Scarlett and Kate, follow me. We're going to do a quick picture. So if you will just stand here.
Thank you.
Ciao.